Pinagana na ang Phase 1 ng National Fiber Backbone ng Department of Information and Communications Technology. Pinangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang aktibidad na ginanap sa Sofitel Philippine Plaza sa Pasay City. Sa kanyang talumpati, binigyang diin ng Pangulo ang kahalagahan na magkaroon ng mabilis at maaasahang internet services sa hangarin ng administrasyon na lumikha ng Digital Philippines. At para makamit ito, kailangan anyang bumuo ng National Broadband Program at mamuhunan sa moderno at state-of-the-art connections. Kaya naman sa pamamagitan ng National Fiber Backbone ng DICT, sinabi ng Pangulo na makaasa ang Metro Manila at 14 na lalawigan ng mabilis na internet. Ayon kay PBBM, magpapalakas rin ito sa operasyon ng halos 350 national and local government offices.
Spanning 1,245 kilometers. The NFB Phase 1 is composed of 28 nodes from Lawag, Ilocos Norte, down to Roses, Quezon City. It will also have an initial 600 Gbps optical spectrum capacity to serve the needs of the government and communities along the way. It means that it will bring high-speed internet access to at least 14 provinces in northern and central Luzon, 2 national government data centers, and 4 BCDA ecozones.
Para sa MBC TV Network News, ito si Let Narciso. Sama-sama tayo, Pilipino.